Hello, it's Martine here. I just wanted to jump on quickly and let you know I've got 65% off right now in my shop, which is pretty huge. I'm actually building my shop on my website for the first time, so I'm pretty excited. I thought I'd have a quick sale just for anyone that wants to grab some stuff, that knows my products or that may be new to me. This is my website. If I just pull down the top bit, is wholeheartedmecollective.com. So if you just go there, you'll see up the top here the code so that you can get 65% off. Just click on the shop, and then let me move that out of the way, and then you'll get into the shop area and you can click on different things. You can have a look at the one-to-one coaching and the membership support if you need that sort of help. But the products are down here. You can look by category. And also up the top here, I've also put the categories in a different sort of format, just to give you options, just to help navigate the site. And then you can also click on a product. This is the big bundle, and you can go down and get more information. There's lots of information and you can have a look at all the pictures. And that gives you lots of information. You can always ask me questions as well. And yeah, we'll go back here. Like, you can look up Remarkable and then it will bring up all the products for Remarkable. You can look up GoodNotes. It'll bring up all the products for GoodNotes. Yes. And so, yeah, Mega Client Follow-Up Book. You just go in there and you just have a look around, and I'm still got more products to come. So I've got some really cool products coming as well. And yeah, so 65% off. Thanks for being here. And yep, message me if you need anything, email me or ask me questions down in the comments box below. Thanks so much. Bye.